Hello folks. So in this video we're going to be seeing how to install TCE. So I'll start off with installing TCE on macOS. So here you can see the instructions. So for macOS, if you have homebrew installed, you can actually just do brew install VMware this thing, and then like run this. I'll start off with like downloading with the tarball first. So I'll get this link first. Get this. So I'm on macOS and I'm going to use wget to especially download this whole tarball. It's a bit of a big tarball. It's around some 266 MB, and I'll let that download. And if you want, you can also use this link to actually download it with your browser. I'll put the link over here. Cool. So now it's done downloading this whole thing, and I'm going to actually extract it. You can also use your finder tool to extract it. So once that is done, you can actually cd into the directory and then run install script. And it'll ask you for your password, or you can run with sudo and give your password already. Oops. Cool. So that's how the install looks like, and it should be done in a moment. And cool. So it's done now, and you can actually verify it by typing Tanzu version in Tanzu, and you should be able to see all of these. And yeah, so that's how you can install Tanzu on macOS using the tarball. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.